afternoon. I'm here with Peter Ehrman, who has been a student teacher at the school that I work at, Cole Olds Elementary. He is presently in with Mrs. Hannah, who's in grade 1, but he has been working alongside me in the area of mathematics, and he has had the opportunity to observe and actually did some teaching in my classroom today, but his focus has been on calendar, the piece of calendar that's within the Math for Success methodology, and he now has had the opportunity as well to observe a kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, and grade 4, as well as teach it. So I would just like Peter's final thought of seeing that math in action, that calendar math in action through those different levels, and ask him to share what those thoughts are.
Yeah, thanks, Darlene. It's been great being able to see all the different grades use calendar math, and I watched it from kindergarten, then grade 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And it's been crazy to see when you go into a classroom, whether it's grade 4 or kindergarten, that, yeah, kids are doing different things because they're at different levels of thinking, but the main concepts of repetition, the concept of time, patterns, and that kind of stuff, it's all been the same. So it's just scaffolding. So you start in kindergarten with it, and you add something on each grade. That you go up, and in the end, all the kids are using the same things. Like I said, time, repetition, patterns, all that good stuff. And really, in the end, they're not really doing that much different. It's just the repetition of things, and it just seems to scaffold really well in the end with their understanding.
Can you give me an example, Peter? Like, can you take an idea, like, of months of the year and days of the week, and what you saw at kindergarten to what you saw them doing with it in grade 4?
Yeah, I think I just can think about grade 2 at this point, and just simple questions as in, like, birthdays. So how many days until this person's birthday? There's different ways you can think about that. So even the grade 2s where, skip counting to find that. As in, when you go to grade 4, you're using those higher levels of thinking. So you're putting different groups of numbers together, and you're not thinking, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You're using things like multiplication and division to basically answer the same question, but using different skills to answer that same question.
Excellent. I'd like to thank you for those thoughts, and with regards to the calendar piece, because that is the absolute first piece I do have in my books, kindergarten through grade 6, and believe it is a very crucial and beneficial part of kids' learning. So I would like to thank you for sharing and all the hard work that you have put in to this project.
Yeah, and thank you so much, Darlene. It's been great to see your passion for the math come out and to be able to share that. Cool.
Okay.